Hi and welcome back to another video. Now I know most of us are stuck at home due to the coronavirus pandemic that is going on around the world. And most of us are bored and don't know what to do. So why not go on a tour? Now I know you'd be asking me, how can we go on a tour when we are stuck at home? Well, we are talking about virtual tours. Now in this video, I have shortlisted 5 UNESCO World Heritage Sites which you can visit through virtual tours. Now I know virtual tours can be a bit disappointing, but I'm sure you won't be disappointed in these 5 places which we're going to visit in this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the computer. China's Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge is one of the longest and highest glass bridges in the world. Built 600 feet above the canyon, the structure is nearly 1,000 feet long with glass panels that are less than 2.5 centimeters thick. All the better reason to visit the Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge virtually. And thanks to the good folks at Russian virtual reality photography company AirPano, now you can, with a few clicks of your mouse, maneuver over and around this vertigo-inducing man-made wonder, as well as the canyon river it traverses. Scale the Andes to see Machu Picchu. Speaking of heights, with its stunning stone architecture, stellar Andean mountain views, and mysterious history, Machu Picchu has long been the top tourist destination in Peru, if not all of South America. Constructed in the mid-15th century by the Inca people and nestled 7,970 feet above the sea level, these archaeological ruins are an engineering marvel. Peru's Machu Picchu comprises over 150 buildings including houses, baths and sanctuaries. Carved out of 2 peaks, Machu Picchu, which means Old Mountain in Quechua, is believed by archaeologists to be the estate of Inca Emperor Pachacuti. It represents the height of the Inca Empire's power before it was abandoned following the arrival of the Spanish conquistadors. If you can't make the 4-day adventure hike up the famous Inca Trail in person or take the shuttle bus like day trippers, have a look around the citadel via this 360-degree tour. Assisted by an audio guide, you can see Machu Picchu's steep slopes and the remnants of royal residences and sacred district that includes the famous Temple of the Sun and courtyards with grazing alpacas and llamas on the lawn. Go inside Sydney's Opera House, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Since 2007, the John Utzon-designed Sydney Opera House in Australia is an architectural masterpiece. Construction on the iconic shells, which house multiple performing art venues, first began in 1959 and was finally completed in 1973. This 360-degree experience, created in partnership with Google Cultural Institute, provides a virtual tour in the life of the Opera House. Starting with a beautiful time-lapse of the sun rising over the Sydney Harbour, followed by a graceful cello performance by musician Ben Schwartz in the Hudson Room. After journeying through the venue's fabled halls, viewers meet the marvelous young soprano Nicole Carr singing the aria Song to the Moon from Dvorak's Rusalka opera. The camera then sweeps upward high above the stage, allowing fantastic vantages not normally granted to the theatre-goers. After being treated to a rehearsal of Rimsky-Korsakov's Scheherazade by the Sydney Symphony Orchestra, the virtual tour ends with a time-lapse at dusk as ferries cross by and concert-goers file out into the night. Roam the old streets of Quebec City. As far as cultural treasures go, Canada's historic old Quebec City, one of the oldest colonial settlements in North America since its founding in 1608, is an underappreciated gem. The historic district was designated a UNESCO site in 1995. This virtual tour, courtesy of Quebec City's Office of Tourism, offers the uninitiated the chance to go back in time and experience the splendor of what is the most thoroughly European metropolis to grace that side of the Atlantic. Take a stroll on the Dufferin Terrace for a picturesque view of the St. Lawrence River. Ride the old Quebec funicular railway from Upper Town to the Lower Town, along the city's fortified walls. Soak up the old world charm of Petit Champlain's boutiques, terraces, and Notre Dame des Victoires Church, and the cobblestone square of Palais Royal. Be sure and check out Breakneck Stairs or the Royal Battery, where spectacular views abound of Quebec's port and celebrated Chateau Frontenac Hotel, a National Historic Site of Canada. Explore the temples of Angkor Wat. Cambodia's Angkor Wat Temple is a wonder to behold. Built in the early 12th century by the Khmer Empire as a Hindu temple, this enormous sandstone complex was converted into a Buddhist center of worship decades later and has remained that way ever since. Renowned for its classical Khmer architecture, the main city of Angkor Wat, meaning Temple City in Khmer language, features religious monuments, lotus bud-like towers, shrines, galleries, and bas-reliefs surrounded by a moat and wall meant to echo the surrounding mountain range. Meditate on the nooks and crannies of Angkor Wat, plus some of the other famous temples in the complex, and nearby town of Siem Reap in this guided tour brought to you by Amsterdam-based VR Gorilla. So I hope you enjoyed the 5 little virtual tours, and I'll be sure to leave the links in the description below so you have no difficulty finding them. Subscribe to my channel for more such interesting contents which I'll be coming up regularly. Thank you for watching. Bye.